auxiliary engines, when to use them, how to use them, and whether they're necessary or not. So when are they used? Generally, when the main engine of the boat, even on a sailboat, stops working, so I still need some form of propulsion to move the boat. How are they used? They are used normally, at least for boats, let's say more or less, under 10 meters, almost all of them are outboard motors. Under 20 meters is different because today there are hybrid technologies. So there are many pods, meaning electric drive, some very particular situations, very specific. Yes, let's say they're less common, but let's talk more simply about boats under 10 meters that have auxiliary engines. So if I have it in a locker, meaning inside the boat, I take it out, put it outside, start it up. It's an outboard engine that I turn on to push my boat wherever I need to go back, basically. The need to have it or not have it. This opens up a whole world. Why does it open up a whole world? So let's make a big distinction. If I have it, I need to keep it in good working order, just like the boat's main engine. If I don't do that, I might as well not have it at all. Most of them, and I can't tell you the exact percentage, but at least among those I see here in the yard, most of the outboard motors that are used or in theory should have been ready for use in case of emergency would not have worked. Why is that? Because it hasn't been started in the last 4-6 years. It's always been kept in a locker, so goodbye carburetor, goodbye injectors, I mean, who knows? And so it's not working. If it's not working, at this point I say, why do you even care about having it on board? Something that costs 2, 3, 1,000, 5,000, I don't know, euros. Having it there and not maintaining it. Instead, at this point, I tell you, just bring a good VHF radio. Sometimes even a portable one is more than enough. So you can call for help, pay for a tow. Maybe it costs you 500 euros to get towed. Well, so be it. It's not the ideal solution because you're not independent, but aside from independence and the immediacy of recovery, you actually save money, because if you think about having spent 3,000 or 4,000 euros on an outboard motor that you end up leaving there, and when you need it, it's not working, you still need to get towed. So at that point, just avoid buying it, avoid maintaining it. So if you have one, keep it maintained, otherwise just let it go. Of course, if you're sailing in an area where the harbor master's office, the Coast Guard, or any kind of help isn't readily available, and the place is really isolated, then the outboard motor is necessary. But in that case, make sure you keep your auxiliary outboard motor properly maintained. Yeah, in that situation, you should definitely get one. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. So, to wrap things up, I just want to say goodbye, wish you fair winds, and always keep an eye on the weather.